So how did they find Osama bin Laden? So there was a surveillance team, American surveillance team.
Yeah.
So there were CIA agents. They had to first find out where this guy is, Osama bin Laden.
And they had been finding him since 2001. So it was a
Yeah.
research work of 10 years, a decade, when they found him in
Yeah.
2011.
Yes.
Yeah.
And in Operation Shaista Khan, they knew that this is the place.
He's in Lal Mahal.
He is in Lal Mahal and he is not budging from there.
Yeah.
Yeah, he is there and living a very peaceful life with his several wives and several children and several concubines.
And
He's happy.
several guards.
Several guards and surrounded by the Mughal camp. And here in American operation, they knew Osama bin Laden is living with several women, his wives, and probably several children, probably his. Okay, and surrounded by Pakistani army and very comfortable.
Yeah. And huge walls
Huge walls.
to his security.
Tall walls.
And a lot of gates also, which were also very hugely secured.
Correct.
Rarely opened.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so now plan. So they had to do homework first. In the American operation, they created
A lookalike.
mock compounds.
Yeah.
You know, in somewhere in California and somewhere in their army base, they created the entire house structure
For them to practice.
to practice. But they could not. I've seen many interviews. They could not create the inside of the house.
Yeah, because they never knew.
They never knew
Yeah.
what walls are there, what bedrooms are there, where are they, where is Osama bin Laden is sleeping, where will he be at that time at the attack
Yeah.
at 1 o'clock in the night. They did not know. They knew only the outer surroundings.
Yeah.
In case of Shaista Khan operation, they knew the inside of the house because Shivrai and his friends had played there.
Luka Chupi.
Luka Chupi.
Hide and
Who
seek.
were the friends? There was the Chimaji Appa,
Yup.
then Bapu Deshpande,
Babaji.
and one Babaji.
Chimnaji Bapuji Deshpande.
Correct. Chimnaji Babaji Deshpande.
Yeah.
Okay. All this, they were small kids, no? That time they had played Lukachuki. So what Shivrai does, he select those two
He selects these friends
These-
for the operation.
for the operation.
Shaista Khan.
Yes,
Yeah.
Shaista Khan operation. So they know where the walls are, where the kitchen is, where the inner court is, where the bedrooms, where he could have been sleeping. But they were still not sure whether Shaista Khan sleeps on the first floor or the second floor. They did not know.
Yeah.
They did not know where is Shaista Khan.
Because you have mentioned in the book, ma'am, that Shaista Khan used to change bedrooms every night.
Every other night.
Yeah.
He used to change bedrooms. So these people also were in the dark.
They knew the inside out of Lal Mahal.
Yeah.
What's going to be where and where are the walls and where
Yeah,
the turns and everything. Because
But
Yeah.
they did not know where the target would be.
the potential and the main target.
Yes, where the target would be.
And similarly,
Similarly, in the American operation, they did not the inside of the house and they did not know where the target would be.
correct.
Okay, so there is confusion here.
Hmm.
So they take off from Afghanistan and in 2011, and here they take off from Kondana 348 years later.
Yeah.
Before.
Yeah,
Before.
Right in front of Jaswant Singh Rathod, who was at the foothills of
Yeah,
Kondana.
so they have to, not let Jaswant Singh Rathod know.
No.
So they go and everything happens accordingly. The helicopters also go through. They are not captured in Pakistani radars.
Yeah.
They are not captured. Okay, they bypass it. Here also these people bypass Jaswant Singh Rathod. They reach Pune. They bypass the security. It's Ramadan time. It's a time to break fast, and they enter evening. But here the helicopters take off at 1 o'clock in the night. But in Shivrai's time, they enter and the attack is planned later. And you will not know why that day was chosen. I think you might not have read that book. You should read Frontiers. That day was Aurangzeb's birthday.
That day was Aurangzeb's birthday. And Shaista Khan ordered his drummers in Lal Mahal to beat those drums every hour to celebrate. That day.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when the drums are beaten every hour, or some
कुछ
after
प्रहर के
some
बाद.
period,
Yeah.
कुछ प्रहर के बाद.
प्रहर के बाद.
What does that mean? There is too much noise in the camp and confusion. So you can make some noise and get what noise you make may be absorbed in the drum's voice. Noise.
So basically, that was a loophole.
Correct.
That was the point through which they could penetrate.
Imagine how much Obama's and his CIA men, how much they planned. So much plan has gone into our Shivra and his men's plan.
Yeah.
So much of thought, you know.
And I think more because this time SEAL Team 6 had the world's best and advanced equipments and operations with them. There was an entire team, directing them from the American base in the White House where they were watching it live on the vision camera. And also, ma'am, one of the most important things, puri shar kali andheri raat thi. The SEAL Team 6 had vision goggles, but these guys, Shivrai and his friends, उन्होंने वहां पर लुका छुपी खेली हुई थी तो वो बंद आंखों से भी उनको पता था कि कौन सी दिवाली कहां पर है.
They could close their and they had so much love for Swaraj and Shivra in their hearts. So that is equal to the whatever modern equipment you have.
Correct.
So that's the lesson we have to take here. If you have the passion and love for whatever you are doing, you don't need very modern equipment.
Correct.
You can do it without.
Just take the action with whatever you have.
And correct action, plan and correct. In one of my, and the biggest difference between these two operations is maybe Barack Obama planned the operation with CIA people, but here our Shivra not only planned the operation, he led the operation.
And almost executed the operation also.
Executed the operation. That is a big difference, He was himself a Sajak person.
A leader leading from the front.
Yes. That time, the morale of the his Swaraj people were very down because he was trapped in Panhala with people. He somehow escaped. Then Shaiste Khan had terrorized the entire Swaraj. The morale, the people were thinking, abhi nahi ho sakta ye. हमारे राजा का जो ड्रीम है वो नहीं हो सकता अभी कैसे हो सकता है you see so this time the morale of people in the Swaraj was hit the lowest point तो ये तो नहीं होने वाला है so that time Shivrai thinks that if I put my life on the blade of a sword and win, see there is a difference. You order and win, and if you yourself put your life on the blade of the sword and win, that is the only way to lift the morale of my people.
Correct.
So in Frontiers, Moroji Pingle asks Shivrai that Raje, this is very dangerous and it will invite death. Okay. So what Shivrai answers in my book that death is certain. It will come today, tomorrow, day after. Only the time is the variable. Now, what should I worry about? I'm not worried about death. I'm not worried about the time. I'm only worried about the morale of my people. And this is the only way I can lift. If I win, I lift their morale.
Yeah.
So I am taking this risk.
The dream of Swaraj will even be there if I'm gone.
Yes, if I'm gone, even if I go, if I die, my people will fight.
For me, for the dream.
For the Swaraj, for my dream and for their freedom.
Yeah.
Okay, so that was very romantic,
Yeah.
It gives you goosebumps to thinking about
overwhelming.
That. Yeah, overwhelming.
Yeah.
So he led the operation. That is the big difference between these two operations.
And that
Barack Obama was sitting very comfortably on the American soil. I think was he in White House that time? They were all watching this.
Yeah.
But our Shivrai was there. He has put his life on the blade of the sword of